pacing back and forth. Oh, I don't understand why you're standing right here. All your shots have scored. No, scratching at the scars you left on my skin. We fight and we fall, then we rise through it all till we find what we want, then we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you, lost in the moment.
My boxes are here, my boxes are here. Hurry up and get ready so I can do my unboxings. Ooh, I'm liking this Tarte powder now that I am tan. Got my coffee brewing. I get to spend time with my gems. I am so excited. Woo! I get to do a full review. I get to do a full review on the Glam Bag X. I'm so very excited. Okay. Hey everyone, it's Karen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi! I'm so very glad you clicked on this video. We just got the Glam Bag X. Woohoo! I am so excited. This is the moment we've all been waiting for months now. Okay, so we're gonna do this unboxing. It was $55, I believe, and it's quarterly, and it takes place of, if you get the Glam Bag and the Glam Bag Plus, it's going to replace the Glam Bag Plus, and you'll get the Glam Bag for that month, plus the Glam X. Now, mind you, if you don't get the Glam Bag Plus, you will skip your Glam Bag, and then you will get the Glam Bag X. So, how that works. Okay, if you have any questions, let me know. We're going to dive right in. I'm super excited. Grab your coffee, guys. We are either going to see if it is treasure, trash, or maybe we want to trade some items with somebody else. Let's see what we have. Oh, okay. I'm not really sure what's going on, but this is what she looks like. Okay. Alrighty. Let's open her up. There is a newspaper in here. This is a first. Okay. Expert Artistry. Glam Bag X, curated by Patrick Ta. Oh, so he's the one to blame that we didn't get the brow thing for choice. Okay, and on the back is Halsey and her new brand. So I don't know if this has got like, it's got the products that are in here in it, but I don't know if it has prices, so I might have to put the prices on the screen for you. But this is talking about a lot of things, and we don't have time to read it right now, so let's just put it aside. Okay, the very first thing I see is this. Ah, it's my beauty blender, the original beauty blender. Here it is. Here she is. Gosh, she's so small, and I'm assuming that's the case for her queen. Yes. Okay, she is small. Wow. Some of the other beauty blenders are so much bigger. All right. The next thing I see is the Patrick Ta blush. A monochrome moment, it says. Ooh, let's open. Oh, it's in She's Seductive. The one that I had gotten was She's Sincere. When I did buy my Huda palette, I also got the Patrick Ta blush, and I did like videos in advance so you guys could see. All right, this is not coming out the way that it's supposed to. Come on now. Where's my other one? I'm gonna have to compare. Okay, here is the packaging. Let's open her up. It is huge. This looks like a super pretty color. But the blushes I've noticed are light. Like, can you see that? Sorry. Call. Okay, let me show you the other one that I have, because you might have gotten this one. This here is the one in She's Sincere. And I'm gonna swatch her and put her right next to this one here. And you can barely see it. See, now that I'm getting tan though, it shows up a little bit better, but you might have to build it. That's the one that I have here. This is the one I just got. All right, so now, so far, I mean, I like it. I use it a lot, so we'll see. Okay. Next. Ooh, it's kind of open. The About Face Matte Painted Lip Color. Yes, let's see. Oh, she's small. Very cute packaging though. I wonder if it would go with this look. I bet you it would. Let me grab a mirror. Should we try her? Or is she gonna be too purple? I don't know. Let's try her. Let's grab a makeup wipe. I'm sure you guys want to see the color. Now, is this an eye paint? No, it says lip color. Okay. Because I'm pretty sure she came out with eye paints as well. Or you could, I think they had multi-uses. So you could use it for lots of things. I don't know if we have to shake her or not, but let's see. And I do have the Huda palette on my eyes today too as well. All right, so here's the applicator. She's kind of small. Whoa. Oh my goodness. Huh. This is definitely a liquid lip. It does remind me a little bit of paint. Doesn't smell bad or anything. It's a gorgeous color. But I feel like you gotta build her up. Because there was like some separation in pigment. And that you do not want. Yeah, and you're gonna have to be very precise with application. I don't know if the camera is picking this up or not, but it's like darker in some areas than others. So let's let her dry down and see how she works. Okay. All right, let's put the mirror over here and let's move on. Okay, what do we got? Complex Culture Sonic T-Bar Facial Massager. All right, this was the one I was least excited about. I mean, why do I need to massage my face? What's it gonna do for me? I'm sure it'll tell me on the product. But let's just pull her out here. Can I pull her out? She's very heavy. This is what she looks like. What does it say? It delivers a facial massage to increase blood flow, reduce puffiness, relieve facial tension, and help tone facial contours. Okay, so you can use this daily with a clean face, and in reality, okay, this thing is a little tricky. It's actually massaging right now, but you have to take it all the way out to get the battery in here. Okay, once you put the battery in and you turn it clockwise, you turn it until you can't turn it anymore, and then counterclockwise turns it on. And it is very powerful. Very powerful. So I'm gonna have to update it, you guys, on this. Okay, and then you just turn it back to clockwise to turn it off. Okay, so we've got that. I'm anxious to see if it'll actually work. All right, let's see. The next thing we have is One Hit Prime, Set, and Refresh. Here's the box. Okay, let's see. Let's see what we have in here. A dose of self-love, it says. Okay. One Hit Prime, Set, Refresh, Finish Face Mist. So we're going to try this. Let's see, the scent. Let's just spritz it real quick. It's a fresh scent. Ooh, I like how it has a pump and you barely have to touch the pump for it to work. Okay, so we can always use face mist. Then we've got, what is this? Pat McGrath. Oh yeah, this is the mascara. Look at the packaging. Oh my goodness. Hello. I need scissors. Ow. Almost cut myself. But I was so excited. There we go. All right. Here she is here. I don't think I want to open her up. Well, you know what? I'm going to, because we want to see the wand. The wand looks just like that. And let me just put a coat on my lower lash line here. Okay. I always wear false lashes, but this seems like a pretty good mascara, for sure. That definitely made my lashes stand out more. Okay, next we have the textured air infused with quartz and mica. Is this hairspray? Your new secret weapon. Yes, it is. Oh yeah, okay. Let's try it. Let's try it. I've got myself this little hairdo going on here. Whoa. Almost reminds me of Rave from the 80s. Do you remember that? Let's see. Okay. You can always use styling stuff. Yes. All right. And guess what, guys? What's the last product? It's the Huda palette. Yes. And y'all know I'm doing a giveaway with this, right? Why? Because I have one and I bought it, and I knew that there was going to be some of you out there that were going to be not be able to get this box. So I'm going to show you what she looks like. And yes, there are dents down here. That's the way that it was made. That comes from manufacturing. I discovered that when I first bought my palette. Look how gorgeous she is. Oh my goodness. I bet you guys want to see swatches. Good thing I have my own palette right here, and I can do some swatches for you. Here is my palette. It's very well loved. And we'll just do a few swatches. We'll go in with the top layers are super creamy. You know what? Should I put them? I'm trying to think of the best way that you guys are going to be able to see it. And it's probably on the outer part of my arm. Outer part. Listen to me. I can't talk today. All right. Trust Fund. Rose Gold. Pink Diamond. I have this one on my eyes today, and I have the Rose Gold. All right, let's go in with 24K. And then let's use Dubai, which is Dubai Inflamed. Is that what I did? Yeah, I did 5. Okay, so we just have Dubai left. That's the first row of swatches. Oh, super pretty. Okay, my makeup wipe. Oh my gosh. It's not even taking them off. Do you see that? It's always a good thing when the pigment... There we go. Woo! Okay. I'm so excited. Shall we do the second? Here is the second row for you guys. The pigmentation in here is crazy. Oh my gosh. I love it. All right, let's get started on the third row. And then I will tell you about my giveaway. Guys, you cannot go wrong with this palette. It is a $65 palette, and Huda and I didn't used to get along. Not until she remastered. But anyhow, I really enjoy this palette. I've used it multiple times. I'll link some videos in here for you of my looks in case you want to check them out. But now you want to know how you can get this palette, right? Okay, well, you know I love you guys so very much. And I had from the beginning the intent to give this palette away because I knew that there was going to be some people out there that deserved it but weren't able to get it. I'm going to briefly go over what was in my box, and then I will tell you how you can win this palette. We did get the eye paint, or no, I'm sorry, the lip color. Now this lip color, you have to put a few coats on, but it still looks like there's some separation in pigment. It's not completely one color all the way around. So I can't say that I would buy this. I'm definitely going to use it a few times. I think the color is gorgeous. It doesn't make my lips super dry or anything, but I think with the way the color is coming out, maybe I need to shake it more or something, but I'll have to update you on that because this is not something that I'm 100% satisfied with. Okay, and then we got the Patrick Ta blush. This one actually is darker than the other one that I have, and I think that it's super pretty. I know that this had a $32 value, and there's a lot in here, and it comes with a mirror. So I definitely, the shades range that we got, I wish we would have gotten one a little bit brighter and one a little bit darker, but overall I've been very happy with this product. Then I got the Beauty Blender. This is the original Beauty Blender, the queen, it says, and it is, because our whole makeup game changed when the Beauty Blender came out. You know, that's that. So this will definitely get used. They do last longer than the Real Techniques ones out there and all of that. Then I did get the finishing spray, which I do like, and it feels nice. And I will definitely continue to use that. This is a thumbs up for me. The textured spray, when you do your makeup, you want your hair to go with it. So I'm always for a good hairspray. So I'm going to get a lot of use out of this. And like I said, it's got a strong hold. You can feel that. My hair is not really super stiff or anything, which is kind of cool too. So it's more of like a styling spray, but it keeps everything in place. You know what I mean. Then the facial massager. I'm going to have to try this out tonight, and I'll let you guys know like on Instagram or whatever. But it's a little tricky. You put the battery in, and you turn it counterclockwise to get it going, and then you turn it clockwise to turn it off. Again, I'm not really sure the value on this product. I will put that in here. And then, of course, the Huda palette, and then the mascara, which has like a $30 value. And I do like it. The wand is pretty, and it's definitely Pat McGrath. Usually very satisfied with those things. And I put it on real quick for you guys, but it did definitely make a difference. So I'm liking all of these products. I'm just not sure about Halsey's new line. That's the only thing I am not sure about. So my giveaway. First, I want to say thank you so much for watching this video. And if you are already a Gem Squad subscriber, I just want to say thank you for returning. And if you're new, then welcome to the Gem family. That's what I call you guys. You guys are all super precious to me, and I've come up with it. You guys helped me come up with the Gem Squad name. So thank you so much for being here, and I really appreciate every single one of you. So for this giveaway, YouTube's not affiliated. This is a box I bought with my own money. It's the Huda palette that I'm going to be giving away. And you must be 18 years or older or have a parent's permission to enter this giveaway. The giveaway will go on from the time this video uploads until the date I put in the description box down below. Please be subscribed and like this video. Yes, thank you, and share me out if you can. I would absolutely love that. I'm so excited to be on YouTube and to be able to do giveaways and all those things, to put makeup back into the hands of you guys so you guys can benefit from that and just feeling beautiful from the inside out and all those things. I'm just super excited today. So thank you for being here. And it's international, so you can live in Hong Kong and it really wouldn't matter. If you have any other questions, please put them in the comments down below and I will do my best to answer them. And I will link a bunch of my videos in here for the looks that I have done with this Huda palette. All right, guys, I love you. Stay blessed, stay safe, and I'll see you again real soon in another video.